Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Madeline. You may know me from Clever Style, or maybe the algorithm just took a chance on a humble girl. So today I actually am going to be doing a makeup look that I have been wearing recently for Clever Style videos. A couple of you commented on their page saying you're like really into my makeup, and I did try something new, so I'm really glad you guys like it, and I wanted to give you like a little tutorial. Right now I have no makeup on at all. I did just put on some moisturizer. I did the Glow Recipe Hyaluronic Cream. I just bought that, so I don't have opinions on it yet. I will let you know. Oh, and then I just did a couple drops of the Lumify eye drops in each eye, just because it really helps whiten the whites of your eyes, which really does make the eye makeup in this stand out. So let's just get started. Okay, I actually did just buy some new concealer last night. I refreshed my Madeleine Light Vanilla Concealer, and then I did buy a Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light. I also don't tend to wear a ton of face makeup when I do videos. I just don't like the way it feels. I don't like feeling super like cakey on the face, and I also think showing off your skin is like really nice, and we like to see natural skin and texture and stuff. I did pick up my face the other night, so we're just gonna ignore that. So I'm gonna use the Hello Fab First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer Moisturizer. This stuff is really nice if you want a moisturizer with a little bit of sheen in it. I'm actually out, like almost empty of this. Next up, I'm obsessed with the Hollywood Flawless Filter. This stuff is as good as everyone says it is. It truly doesn't do anything in terms of coverage. It just gives a gorgeous sheen. Okay, now that that Flawless Filter is on, we are gonna add some concealer. So I am gonna start with I'm gonna actually try out the Tarte Shape Tape. Sharp Tape. I am gonna start out with Tarte Shape Tape because I do like a little bright. Oh, that's really perfect. Cool. And then we're gonna go in with the Madeleine Light Vanilla to cover up blemishes. Because my skin is having some like little chin breakouts, I am gonna go in with a really light foundation. This is the Morphe 2 Skin Tint. It's the Charli D'Amelio, Dixie D'Amelio like makeup line. And this is like a really sheer skin tint, but it does help with coverage. Okay. I just did my eyebrows off camera. I literally just brushed them up and put a little bit of the Benefit Brow 24-hour brow setter on it. Next, we're gonna do a little blush bronzer moment. I think I'm actually gonna go in with the Rare Beauty blush in Happy. Everyone is obsessed with this stuff. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, like, I like it, but it's just, to me, it's a little stressful because it's super, super pigmented. And it's like, you really have to work with it, which it's like, I get that it's good to have pigment, but then it's like, I don't want it to look, I don't know. Jury's still out on it. Okay, so this is in the color Happy. Sorry if the lighting keeps going in and out, you guys. Like, I guess I could have gotten one of my lights, but I just wanted it to be kind of natural. Next, we're gonna do bronzer. I am gonna go in with the Hoola Light. I use this one pretty much every time, and I'm not super precious about it. I just do like a really brief kind of overall contour. I don't do a ton of like contouring in general. I added a little bit of a light in the corner, so hopefully that adds something helpful. Next, we're gonna do highlight. I'm actually gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand. I'm worried this light is like too much. actually gonna go over it with the Beauty Light wand in the Peach Gasm, which is almost like more of a blush, and I'm just gonna do it right below. If you guys have heard my recent spiel, I want to be dewy now. That's like my new thing. I also just think this looks like so pretty on camera to be like extra sparkly and shiny and dewy. Okay, also this one is really good too. I will say the Rare Beauty liquid luminizer, check that out. Oh, and then I like to go over that with the MAC Extra Dimension and Double Gleam powder. So this one just almost like sets it a little bit. I know you guys probably think I look so crazy, but maybe you get it. I'm also gonna put a little bit on my collarbone right there. So the main focus of this is really the eyes. I think that's like really what makes this look like extra pretty. For eyeshadow, I use regular Hoola on all over my lid. Linus is taking the cutest nap right now. Then we're gonna go in with the Sephora liquid liner. I really like this stuff. It's super inexpensive and does a great liquid line. And the key is really how and where we draw it. That's kind of how I do the beginning part of the wing, and then this is how I really make it like that one step further, is I almost do like an inner cat eye. Just even like that, you guys, I'm telling you, on camera makes the biggest difference. We're gonna add lashes and everything at the end, but it just elongates your whole eye. It's so pretty on camera. Pretty good actually. Okay, so next we're gonna do a little bit of mascara. I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Lately I've been using the L'Oreal Telescopic in Carbon Black. I am going to wait a few minutes for the mascara to dry, so that way when I'm adding the glue for the liquid liner for the lashes and everything, it's not super like goopy and wet. So I'll see you guys in a moment. Okay, up next are lashes. So I want to show you guys the lashes I use. I just bought a new pack, but I still am using the old ones. I'm sure it's freaking gross. Well, the ones I use are called Eyelure Pro Magnetic, and they're like the ones that are like 3/4 and they just go on the end. So you start off with a little bit of this lash glue, and it's basically the magnetic kind, so it almost is like an eyeliner. And so I do the eyeliner first as almost like I'm coloring it in, like I can easily just cheat and paint over it. And then I'm gonna do about 3 coats of this stuff, and you don't need to do it over your whole lash because it is just gonna sit on the end. So we're gonna apply these lashes. So they look like that. You guys know I'm not a makeup guru. As you guys can see, they do just kind of like land on your eye, which is so helpful. Because for the longest time, I really hated wearing fake lashes because I didn't know how to apply them with the glue. And these have been easy every time. See, okay, already like with the way that the cat eye thing is happening, it just makes such a gorgeous like eye-opening big difference. We're gonna add a little bit of eyeliner to the bottom. That's a more flattering angle for me, but like I said, we're gonna do the eyeliner on the bottom. I literally just use this one from Makeup Forever, not this one. It's just a little eyeliner from Makeup Forever, and this is in the brown color. Just gonna line our waterline. So like that, you guys can already see like what a big difference that makes. It just, my eyes look huge. Also, the Lumify from earlier like really helps this look overall because it keeps the whites of your eyes super bright when it's paired against it's kind of Bella Hadid. Sorry, I just want to like for a thumbnail. Now we're gonna do lips. So that is the lip liner Nude Suede Shoes, and then over top I'm gonna add the LA Girl Pumping Gloss. You guys, that is the final look. It is my full glam whenever, why does it get dark, bro? Whenever I'm going into Clever, this is like what I like to do for a full glam look, which I'm noticing looks a lot better on camera than more of my day-to-day look, which I also typically do if I'm just kind of in a rush or don't want to do anything full out. But I really do like this look on camera. I just think it's really flattering. That's my look. I'm thinking of doing like a 90s hair tutorial or something next. A lot of you guys have asked about my hair, so if you want to see that next, please let me know. I always love reading your comments and responding, so if you leave a comment, that would be greatly appreciated. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!